Hey, it's Patrick Grosser with Fathom Realty, and this is your Cincinnati real estate market news for week 50 of 2021. We're going to look at the numbers for this past week, compare them to the same week in 2020, see how we measure up, and we're also going to look at 3 specific strategies you can utilize in the off season in the Cincinnati real estate market to achieve your goals. So first, let's take a look at the numbers here. New listings are down 15%. Certainly that's a challenge for buyers. It's good news for sellers. We also have closings down 22% compared to the same week last year. Average sale price is up 10%, which is good growth for homeowners and for sellers. Good news there, not quite as good as the average of 17%. We expect that home prices will continue to increase next year, but not at a pace of 17%, especially if mortgage interest rates do rise. Average days on market is down 6%, a change from 17 days. Rather than 18 days last year, not a big change there. Inventory is at an all-time low this year, 1.8 months or 54 days. Only 39% of that total inventory is active or coming soon, which is actually available to buyers, and that accounts for 21 days of inventory. So we're still in a very tight market, very much a seller's market, but it is the off-season, so we are seeing less activity right now than we saw in the peak season here in 2021. So let's talk about 3 strategies you can utilize in the off-season here in Cincinnati to achieve your real estate goals. First of all, when you're selling your home in the off-season, you need to do a premium level of marketing, better than the generic marketing you typically get from most real estate agents and for sale by owner listings, where we just post up pictures and a description online and we hope that showings and offers come in. We need to do some research to figure out, based on the features of your home, what types of people would be most interested in your home, who would be willing to pay you top dollar, give you the best terms for the sale of your home, and how do we reach those people? And we do that through a process we call target marketing. You can learn more about our approach, see if it's a good fit for you. Click the link to watch the video, patrickgrosser.com/sell. What we do is demographic research to match up the right buyers for your home so you get better results for the sale of your home, especially in the off season when sometimes buyers are hard to come by. So check out the video, patrickgrosser.com/sell. Now, when you're thinking about buying a home, maybe you're not pre-approved, maybe you're not ready to start showings yet, but you want to keep an eye on the market. And if you don't want to be bothered by a salesperson, the best way to get all of that done is through our Just Looking approach. You can learn more about that, see if it's a good fit for you, get signed up for that. Check out the video, click the link, patrickgrosser.com/justlooking. What we do is set you up on a custom MLS search so that you get email notifications each time a listing that matches your criteria hits the market. And we also give you priority access to off-market opportunities. Homeowners who want to sell off-market don't want to go on the open market because of all the work that goes into getting it ready for that. They just want to sell at a certain price, certain terms. If we have a match, we can set you up with showings there. We can walk you through the offer process where you're not competing with any other buyers. So not only can you get the home you want, but you can get a better deal on it. So check out the Just Looking approach, patrickgrosser.com/justlooking. Now, if you're buying and selling at the same time, the most important thing to do first is to figure out what your financing options are, because that's going to dictate whether you can buy first and move once, or if you have to sell your home first and then move into temporary housing, and then when you buy your new home, move into that home, moving twice. So you want to make sure you understand your options, choose the best path for you. We put together an educational video that goes over all the traditional options, the pros and cons of each, and also something we call the bridge solution, where you can actually sell your home to an investor, stay in the home month to month by leasing it back. You can, in the process, erase your mortgage debt. You can pay off some other debts by tapping into your home equity. You can make a bigger down payment on your next home, trade up to a more conventional loan to not only get yourself in a better financial position, but also to put yourself in a more competitive situation if you do encounter a multiple offer situation when you're bidding on your next home. Check out the video there, click the link, patrickgrosser.com/bridge. I hope this information has been helpful. If it has, go ahead and hit the like button. Make sure you get more of these videos in the future. You can also follow our Facebook business page, turn on notifications so you don't miss any videos in the future. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel, Patrick Grosser-Cincinnati Realtor. And if you have any topic suggestions for us for videos we can do in the future, go ahead and drop those in the comments for us. I'm Patrick Grosser, and thanks for watching.